Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new video. And in this video, I'm going to show you two ways to connect your GPU to your motherboard. Now, in my case here, I have on the left, a GeForce 1050 Ti 4GB card. And the motherboard is a BioStar TB250 BTC motherboard. Now, as you can see on the motherboard, it has 6 available slots for GPUs. However, only one fits directly on the motherboard, and that is this yellow slot here. The rest of them need to be connected through PCI-E slots right here. So first I'm going to show you how to connect it directly to the onboard slot. So as you can see, I have it basically lined up here. You can see the little divot here in the middle, or more so to the left, right here. And that is what's gonna go in here on the motherboard. That's how you line those up. So quite simply, line it up. And that's it. Go ahead and show this to you guys. And that is it. The card is directly on the motherboard now. Now I'll go ahead and show you guys the second method using the PCIe connector. Let's go ahead and take this off. Alright, it's back off. And here's the PCIe adapter that we will be using. Pretty inexpensive. I believe I bought this for around $5. And it basically has the same function as the onboard slot. You can basically see how it's basically the same thing there. So we're going to go ahead and take the GPU and line it straight up. And boom, that's it. It's on. Now if you'd like, you can move this in, and you should hear a little click noise letting you know it's secure. And now it cannot be easily taken off. You gotta move it back towards the right if you want to take it out. Although this part is not necessarily, you don't necessarily have to lock it in place. It's usually already pretty secure. Now what we do is connect the USB cable . And then the other end of this PCIe adapter will look like this. And that simply goes into any one of the 6 slots. So you can put it in here. You could even put it in here. And there you can see how it's supposed to fit. That's basically it. And then of course you go ahead and connect your HDMI cable, hook up a monitor, power source, solid state drive, and you're ready to go. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I'll go ahead and leave some links in the description to all of the equipment. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.